Looking for an easy way to make beaded bracelets? Check out this simple seed bead bracelet tutorial that will teach you how to create stunning bracelets using just a few easy steps. So, grab some beads, string, and a few simple tools, and let's make a beautiful and simple beaded bracelet together. If you like this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos on easy beaded bracelets making. Let me know which one you find most inspiring. Join me and let's create something amazing, beautiful together. Make sure to subscribe for more DIY tutorials like this one.